Bello on the It's your girl JazzBae. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another makeup tutorial, and I am carving out my eyebrows, as you can see, and I am about to prep my lids so I can get ready for eyeshadow. The palette that I'm using today is the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm just going to take that reddish brown shade and just place that in my crease. Now what I've recently started doing is taking translucent powder and placing that above my brow bone after I place my shadow, because it just makes it look more smooth and a matte look. I just love the finished look. But once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and blend out that eyeshadow so it can just look smooth and no harsh lines or any of that. And then you want to go into your palette, and I took a dark brown shade from there, and I'm just pressing this in my crease just to darken it up and give it some definition. And it's also going to help me cut in my cut crease. Alright, so I am using the e.l.f. concealer to cut my cut crease, and what I do is dab a little bit in the middle and look up, which creates a line for me. So then I go to the corner of my eye and create a line towards the middle. This time with my cut crease, I didn't stop halfway. I just went all the way to the other corner of my eye. And I don't know why I did this. I just wanted to do it. And I actually like the outcome of it. It's Richie. Rose. Once you cut your crease, you do not want to set it. You want it to be sticky because you're going to place your eyeshadow on top of it, and that way it can pop. So I went back into that palette and took the lime green shade and placed that right on top of the cut crease. I went back in the palette and took those two brown shades that we used just to blend out the corners. Next, I took that green shimmer shade and placed that right on top of my lid. Now you can take any glitter you prefer, but this is the only glitter I have until I go get some. But I just took a gold glitter and I took my eyelash glue and I just placed that in my crease and I placed the glitter right on top of there. The primer I chose today was a professional pore primer, and I love this because it just blurs out all my pores. And I'm gonna just go ahead right into my foundation routine. Okay, so what I wanted to start doing is putting translucent powder on my face before I apply foundation, because I have oily skin and I don't have nothing as of right now to balance out my oily skin. So I was watching some videos and I seen people do this and I wanted to try it out, and I love it. Like, I'm going to do this in every routine. I'm gonna go back to the eyes and take that green shimmer shade, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner and my bottom lash, and then I'm gonna take that brown shade and put that on my outer corner on my bottom lash. I took a shimmer shade out of that palette and used it as a highlighter, and I'm really happy that I chose this choice because it wasn't too much. For my lips, same as always, I'm taking a brown pencil liner and I'm just outlining my lips, and then I'm gonna take the True Story Morphe lipstick and I'm gonna place that in the middle. Then I'm gonna take my NYX Butter Lip Gloss and place that right on top, and then take another lip gloss and just blend that all together. It's Richie. Here is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And yeah, I hope y'all really enjoyed this video, and thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye.